Welcome to Review Lab. The best Whirlpool Dryer Element is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your laundry routine running smoothly, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry every time, and when yours starts to falter, it can bring your entire household to a standstill, making the decision to replace it a crucial one for maintaining comfort and convenience in your home. Number 5. AMlPARTS Dryer Heating Element Replacement Part. This is a high-quality replacement heating element for your dryer. It's designed to meet OEM manufacturing requirements and is suitable for most top brands. This part is compatible with a wide range of dryer models from brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. It replaces numerous part numbers for your convenience. You can easily install this part yourself in under 30 minutes. For a smoother DIY experience, remember to wear gloves and disconnect the power before starting. Is your dryer taking too long to dry, not heating, or making strange noises? This replacement part can fix those common issues, getting your dryer back to optimal performance. With a rated power of 5,400 watts and 240 volts, this heating element ensures efficient drying. It's made from high-quality materials for durability and lasting performance. We are confident in the quality of this product. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and our professional support team is ready to assist you with any issues within 12 hours. What we like. This heating element boasts extensive compatibility across many top brands and models, making it a versatile choice. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that fits a wide range of dryers, this is a great option. What people say. The dryer heats up quickly and dries clothes efficiently. The element was a perfect fit for my Whirlpool dryer and easy to install. It has restored my dryer to its original performance. Number 4. APPLIANCEMATES 279838 Dryer Heating Element. This comprehensive kit includes the 279838 dryer heating element and essential components like thermal fuses and thermostats. It's everything you need for a full repair. This heating element is a direct replacement for multiple part numbers, including 8565582 and W10724237. It's a cost-effective solution for a dryer that isn't heating. Designed to fit a wide range of dryer brands such as Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore. It's compatible with most dryers on the market, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. Crafted with high-quality nickel in its wires, this heating element boasts superior durability. It features a longer heating wire for enhanced performance and longevity. This replacement part is made from durable materials and meets OEM standards. We guarantee it will exceed your expectations, and you can request a replacement if you're not satisfied. The element features 2 to 5 16 male terminals for straightforward installation. Remember to switch off the power before beginning the wiring process for safety. What we like. This kit comes with not just the heating element but also essential components like a thermal fuse and thermostat, offering a more complete repair solution. It features a higher nickel content and a longer heating wire for improved durability and performance. If you prefer a comprehensive package that ensures all critical components are addressed for a thorough repair, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Whirlpool Dryer Element is a direct replacement for the original part, making installation straightforward. It heats up quickly and dries clothes efficiently, reducing drying time significantly. The element is durable and has held up well under regular use, indicating good build quality. Number 3. AMlPARTS 279838 Dryer Heating Element. Introducing the AMlPARTS 279838 Dryer Heating Element, designed for durability and performance. It's crafted from a high-quality nickel-chromium alloy for long-lasting use. This heating element is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and Admiral dryer models. Check the description for a full list of compatible part numbers and models. Your purchase includes the 279838 heating element, a thermal fuse, a high-limit thermostat, and other essential components for a complete repair. Experience quick and even heating with its superior design. It's built to reduce energy consumption and improve your dryer's overall performance. This part is designed to meet OEM manufacturing requirements, ensuring a proper fit and easy installation. It's a great alternative to OEM parts. With its high anti-corrosion properties and durable construction, this heating element is built to withstand regular use and provide reliable service for years to come. What we like. Constructed with a durable nickel-chromium alloy and featuring a unique spiral-tight design, this element is built for longevity and efficient heating. It also includes jumper wires for a more complete installation. If you prioritize a robust build and enhanced heating performance with all necessary accessories for a smooth DIY repair, this upgraded option is ideal. What people say. The dryer heats up quickly and dries clothes efficiently. Easy to install and works perfectly. The element is a direct replacement and fits well. Number 2. PRIME&SWIFT NED 4655 EW1 Dryer Heating Element. Is your dryer taking too long to dry clothes? This heating element is designed to heat up quickly and evenly, ensuring your laundry is dried efficiently every time. Crafted with high-quality nickel-chromium heating wire, this component offers superior durability and a longer lifespan for your appliance. This part is compatible with a wide range of popular dryer brands including Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, and Amana. Check the model list to ensure a perfect fit for your machine. Easily replace your old or faulty heating element with this direct fit part. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with numerous dryer models, simplifying the repair process. This package includes not only the heating element but also a thermal cutoff kit, cycling thermostat, high-limit thermostat, and thermal fuse for a complete dryer repair solution. Don't let a malfunctioning heating element disrupt your laundry routine. Restore your dryer's optimal performance and enjoy perfectly dry clothes with this reliable replacement part. What we like. This heating element is designed for rapid and even heating, thanks to its quality 95% nickel-chromium wire and an extended wire length for better performance. It's a great value replacement that heats up quickly and lasts. If your priority is getting your dryer back to optimal heating performance swiftly and efficiently, this option delivers. What people say. The dryer works great and dries clothes much faster than my old one. The large capacity is a game changer. I can dry big loads all at once. I love the steam sanitize cycle. It really helps to refresh clothes and remove wrinkles. Number 1. Sikawai 279838 Dryer Heating Element Kit. Is your dryer not heating up or taking too long to dry clothes? This replacement kit is designed to bring back optimal heating performance to your appliance. This comprehensive kit includes a high-quality heating element, thermal fuse, high-limit thermostat, and cycling thermostat. It contains all the essential parts for a full repair. It's compatible with a wide range of popular dryer brands including Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, and many others. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Crafted from premium materials with a high nickel-chromium content, these parts are built to last and meet OEM standards. They are designed for stable and continuous heating. Save time and money with this easy-to-install kit. With basic tools, you can fix common dryer issues yourself and avoid costly professional repairs. Remember to disconnect power before installation. We stand by the quality of our products. If you have any questions or concerns about compatibility or the product itself, our support team is available 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. With a high 90% nickel-chromium content and a longer heating wire, this element ensures stable and continuous heating, effectively addressing common dryer issues. It also comes as a comprehensive kit with thermostats and fuses. If you're looking for a high-quality, durable solution that provides consistent heat and includes all the necessary parts for a complete fix, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The dryer heats up quickly and dries clothes efficiently. The large capacity drum can accommodate bulky items like comforters. It has a variety of drying cycles to suit different fabric types. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.